In a quiet town, an old professor was known for his unique way of teaching life lessons. One day, he walked into his class carrying a large empty glass jar. The students watched curiously as he placed it on the table. Without saying a word, the professor took a bag of large rocks and began filling the jar. When no more rocks could fit, he asked the students, "Is the jar full?" "Yes," they replied. The professor smiled and then took a handful of small pebbles, pouring them into the jar. The pebbles filled the spaces between the rocks. Again, he asked, "Is the jar full now?" The students hesitated but still said, "Yes." The professor then picked up a bag of sand and poured it into the jar. The sand filled the tiny gaps left by the pebbles. "Now, is it full?" he asked. This time, the students laughed and said, "Yes, now it's completely full." The professor then took a cup of water and slowly poured it into the jar, soaking the sand. The students were amazed, there was still space. Finally, he spoke, "This jar represents your life. The big rocks are the most important things, your family, health, and dreams. The pebbles are other important things like your job or education. The sand represents small distractions. If you fill your jar with sand first, there will be no room for the big rocks. Always prioritize what truly matters. And remember, no matter how full life seems, there's always room for a little more learning and kindness." Moral: prioritize the important things in life before getting lost in the small, meaningless distractions.